This is important. And you twist them all.
Get the ends even is important.
Now notice how the wires twist. Now if you take this off of here, these wires will be twisted around each other. And the light colored one is white, the dark colored one's the dark. A lot of people will take the two wires and hook into the two screws. That's wrong. Because what happens then, if you have multiple receptacles down the line, then this little piece of wire right here is what connects the receptacles together, and that can open up. That'll shut off the rest of your circuit. A way to do this is to tie these together and then run off a leg to each receptacle. Then no matter if this joint goes bad, the rest of the receptacles will still work. Kind of roll it up, push it, shove it. Don't need to be barbaric, but takes a little bit of pressure.